Hello dear students, today in this class of English we will learn the use of a, an and the. They are called articles. Articles are a kind of determiners and sometimes they are called demonstrative adjectives. So let us be ready to understand the articles. So children, we are going to learn the use of a, an and the. They are called articles and they are a kind of determiners also, and sometimes they are called demonstrative adjectives. As I said before, they qualify the noun and they are used before the nouns, right? Okay, now there are two kinds of articles. One is an indefinite article and another is a definite article. Now a and an, mind you, a and an are considered to be indefinite articles and the is called the definite article. And now what is the difference? The difference in the usage I am talking about. Now the indefinite article is used when the noun or the object is not familiar to us. This is one difference. While the definite article is used when the noun or the object is familiar to us. Or if you are using the noun the second time, then the definite article the is used. Now the second difference. A and an are used for singular countable nouns, while definite article the is used for opposite. Let me tell you, a and an are used with singular countable nouns. For example, a pen, an orange. Now, pen is singular countable noun and same as with orange. Orange is again a singular countable noun. But definite article the is used before a singular countable noun also. For example, the pen, singular countable noun, or a plural countable noun. For example, the pens. And uncountable nouns means which cannot be counted. So the definite article the can also be used before uncountable nouns. For example, the milk, the pen, the pens. So it clearly shows that the definite article can be used before singular countable nouns, plural countable nouns, and before uncountable nouns. But articles a and an are used before singular countable nouns. Let us now discuss in detail the usage of a and an. Now children, we all know that the English alphabet has 26 letters and 5 of them are vowels. And they are A, E, I, O and U. Now the usage of a and an depend on the sound created by the word. The sound the word is pronounced. For example, an is used before the word that begins with a vowel sound, and a is used before the word which begins with consonant sound. Now, what is important is that an is not used with the words which are beginning with a vowel. An is used before the word which begins with a vowel sound. So, not vowel but vowels sound. and a before the word beginning with the consonant sounds. Let me explain using examples. Okay. Now, a can be used like a pen, a book. And can be used like an orange, an apple, an umbrella, an egg. So we have covered the vowel sound. No, I is left. An ice cream. So simple, all done. All vowel sounds. An orange, an apple, an umbrella, an egg, an ice cream. So all vowel sounds take the article an, and all consonant sounds take the article a pen, a book. Fine. Now the confusion is created when the words begin with a vowel but not with a vowel sound. For example, he gave me a or an coin. Now look here. Coin. Coin has a consonant sound. So, a will be used. And we will read it like, he gave me a coin. One more sentence I'll write here as an example. He gave me a or an 1 rupee note. Fine. Now, here we have to use a or an before 1. Fine. Now the word 1 is beginning with a vowel O. Fine. But it does not have a vowel sound. The sound of 1 is V. The sound is not a vowel sound. It is a consonant sound. So article a will be used before 1. So the sentence will be, he gave me a 1 rupee note. Similarly, he lives or he studies. He studies in a or an university. But the sound here is of U. So here also we will use the article a. And we will not write an. Seeing the word university beginning with the vowel, one more example. She gave me a or an umbrella. Fine. Now see the difference. The word university was creating U sound. So we used a before university. But here the U in umbrella is pronounced as the vowel sound. And therefore we use an. Now the sentence will be, she gave me an umbrella. There are few more examples. an umbrella, a university, a European, or I met a European. Now here again, U sound. Fine. A union, a unicorn. I saw a unicorn. So U sound, U sound, U sound. Now one more point which you need to remember is, sometimes though we use articles before nouns, but sometimes adjective is there. So the article also depends upon adjective. For example, she is a or an faithful friend. Now friend is a noun, but we have used an adjective here. Article will now not depend upon the noun, but upon the adjective here. Fine. And here for faithful, the sound is consonant. So we will write a article. Clear? We will write a instead of an. And the sentence will be like this: she is a faithful friend. I'll give you one more example here. She is a or an honest friend. Now again, friend is a noun, but honest is an adjective. And as before, we will again put the article according to the adjective and not according to the noun in this sentence, because it has the sound O. Though it is beginning with consonant H, but it has the sound of a vowel, honest. That is why the sentence will be, she is an honest friend. Fine. So similar sentences, but change in article because of the use of changed adjective. Right? So just like honest, there are few more adjectives which you should keep in mind, which begin with consonants but have a vowel sounds. For example, R, an hour. An hour is left. Fine. Now see, honest, R. And now an heir. She is an heir of any palace or so and so. Okay. So I hope the concept of vowel and the consonant sound is clear to you, and you will never make mistakes while attempting the articles a and an. That's all in this video, and in the next video we will talk about the definite article the and its usage. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.